Oi oi, Wildarmy. Come across a massive group of chicken of the woods. I'm actually in Cornwall. It does grow a different colour down here. It's actually paler. As you can see, classic chicken of the woods. And there's absolutely masses. It grows all under here, look. Take you on a little journey. It's growing all under this tree. Absolutely beautiful specimens. We've just got that really in the undergrowth, but this actually grows all around this tree. What a beautiful, beautiful capture. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at that. Tell you what, there's enough there to feed a lot of people. Just wanted to show you because it's beautiful. Try and get it all on camera for you because it's absolutely humongous. It actually grows right round. We're right under deep with it now. Our little friend here. But I just wanted to show you that on camera. This is the WILDMAN out for the Wildarmy with foraging. I'm down south. And that is one enormous chicken of the woods. Growing on a stump. I just thought I'd show you that, guys, because it's awesome. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful nature. All the mushrooms are coming out now. We're in August. I'm still down Cornwall. Try and make my way home soon. I've got a mission. We've all got our missions. And that's actually next to that little cabin in the woods. I've just done a little explore on. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the videos, guys. I'm trying to get as much as I can in before I go back home. Make my way back home. I'm covered in thorns and bites. But what an absolutely humongous, awesome chicken of the woods. Very edible. Very good substitute for chicken. Yeah, it's a paler colour down south. We get it more orange up north, well in the Midlands. But that is classic. It's massive. And it's absolutely awesome on the eyes. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying the videos, guys. This is the WILDMAN out on Manouvers, doing the do. We're on it. Just thought I'd show you that little mushroom. I've done it before, but I've never seen a good clump like that, and I just thought it was so good and picturesque. Nice to get on camera. Right, let's see what other adventures we can find. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy. This is WILDMAN Gaz out. Doing it for the Wildarmy. We are the Wildarmy. Oi oi.